Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how you can delete your Typeform and why you might not be able to delete it. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. When you log in into Typeform, the first thing you will see is your workspace. This is where you can create and manage your Typeforms. In my case, this is the form that I want to delete. So let's open it first. And as you can see, this is my form with two questions. Now let's back to the workspace and delete it. All you have to do is click on the three dots right here and you will see an option down here to delete. Note that if you delete the Typeform, it's not possible to recover it or its results. So if you on deleting it, make sure you really want to delete it. You might also be here and not see some of these options, and that's because you are not the owner of the workspace. You know that because when you hover over your name here, you see owner. If not, then you are not able to delete the Typeform in here. Maybe you are one of the invited members. So only the account's owner can delete the Typeforms in the results. So if you don't find these options, this is why. And as anytime guys, you can watch my Typeform tutorial video to learn more about how you can use Typeform in under 22 minutes. Link in the description. So hopefully this video helped you out and yeah, bye bye.